This is not a river. This is a flood-affected road. There is a flood disaster ongoing in Nigeria. Over 30 states out of the total 36 states have been affected. More than 2 million Nigerians have been affected by this flooding. The flooding has caused severe damage to livelihoods, homes, crops, and livestock, damaged roads. Prices of food and commodities has increased to 3 times the actual price. Waterborne diseases will spread, raising the death toll. More than 600 people are now known to have perished in the worst floods in a decade. The Nigerian government is yet to provide relief materials and locations.